Hi friends. Sony has given its gamers a first look at the design of its next-gen console, along with some great titles to play with. Sony's 1-hour pre-recorded event was all about showing off its hardware and its titles. The design. The PlayStation 5 is tall and thin and has a black core surrounded by curved white edging and a blue glowing light. The PS5 promises advanced graphics and a shorter load times through the use of its solid-state hard drive, along with exclusive games. Sony said that it would offer a two-version of device, one with a disc and another one without a disc, aka Digital Edition. The move could indicate Sony had experimented ways to reduce the price point and given it more flexibility in the market. This could indicate PS5 with disc version to have a higher price. Now talking about games, Sony unveiled more than 24 titles for its upcoming PlayStation 5 console, including a sequel to its super hit Spider-Man and Horizon. Here are the glimpses of games which Sony announced today. Sony also revealed some of the PS5 accessories. The new HD camera with the dual 1080p lens is likely meant to replace the old PS4 camera accessories. The Pulse 3D wireless headset offers 3D audio support, something that Sony has been pushing as a major feature for PS5, along with the dual noise cancelling microphones. The media remote, while resembles to an ordinary remote, also features a built-in microphone for voice commands. Lastly, the DualSense charging station does exactly what it says. Charges up to 2 DualSense controllers at the same time. While there are still a lot of unanswered questions about the PS5, namely price and release date, which Sony said will reveal later. Friends, what do you think about the PS5 design and are you happy with the games? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to itech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching itech.